is the orca. Orca can eat breakfast shark or eat the claws of squid, and she have a baby.
Very.
They have a soft eyes like this here.
Ừ.
That means they are too smart. That is make the orca smart to eat it.
Ừ.
When the orca eat the, do you know why the orca have a lot of fangs?
I don't know why. Why?
Because they follow to their sounds. They can sound like this, but the dolphin sounds like this. Look. That's the sound of the dolphin.
Hmm.
Dolphin can spin like this. Spread, go up fast and spread and put down. Do you know why?
So I don't know.
Because they are Spanish dolphin. Spanish dolphin. Do you know why? They live in the ocean or the sea. But the hermit crab they have a small shell. They getting bigger and bigger. A bigger shell.
Hmm.
For them hide in her shell.
Mm-hmm.
Here.